When you receive both boxes for your rowing machine, start by removing the banding and tape using a pair of scissors. Empty the contents of both boxes and check your parts against your manual. Also make sure to check all of your polystyrene before you throw anything away. When you begin assembly, turn the base on its side and remove the 4 Allen head bolts from underneath the foot plates. Then attach the centre stand using the bolts. Make sure it's angled forwards.
Do you want to dance?
Next, remove the 4 screws from underneath the fan end of the base. Then attach the rear stabiliser. This will be the larger stabiliser with the transport wheels attached. Secure the stabiliser down using the 4 screws previously removed. Make sure the stabiliser is angled towards the back of the machine.
Do you want to dance?
Now remove the Allen head bolts from the front stabiliser. Please be aware the 2 Allen head bolts on top will have hex nuts underneath them. Lift the plastic cap and slide the slideway onto the bracket. Secure the 2 pieces together using the Allen head bolts. Next, remove the black stopper from the end of the slideway. Also remove the adjustment knob and silver hex bolt. Now slide the saddle onto the slideway and reattach the silver tubes from the hex bolt. Then reattach the black stopper. Now attach the slideway to the main base by first removing the adjustment knob from the side of the base. Make sure the silver tube is evenly slid through the slideway and push the end of the slideway into the base.
Do you want to dance?
Secure using the larger adjustment knob, and don't forget to attach the large silver washer as well. Insert the silver hex bolt through the slideway and the base. If the holes are not quite aligned, loosen the adjustment knob if necessary. Tighten using both hex spanners. Add the smaller adjustment knob to the side of the slideway. Next, remove the two silver screws from under the end of the monitor stand on the base. Connect the wires from the base to the monitor stand. Make sure the pins within the wires are aligned and you hear a click for each one. Slide the monitor stand on top, making sure not to trap your wires, and secure using the two screws from earlier.
Do you want to dance?
Lastly, start by removing the 4 screws from the back of the monitor and feed the wires through the hole in the iPad stand. Then connect the wires to the end of the monitor stand. Again, align your pins and match the female to male wires. If the wires are connected incorrectly, the data will not show on the monitor. Now align the holes on the monitor to the iPad stand, then to the holes on the monitor stand and secure using the 4 screws from earlier.